Hello, and welcome to another episode of Basic Bedroom Guitar. I'm your host. In this episode, we're going to be discussing the minor scale. Now, there are three variations of the minor scale, so we're going to be discussing the natural minor scale. So the difference in the natural minor scale and the major scale is that the third note, the sixth note, and the seventh note are going to be flattened. So this E would become E flat, this A would become A flat, and this B would become B flat. So your scale would be C, D, E flat, F, G, A flat, and then B flat. So to find these on the fretboard, for C natural minor, you would start at C, and you would go to D, and usually you would go here to E, but you're going to flatten it, so it's going to be found on this fret now. Now the next note is going to stay the same, so we're going to have F right there, we're going to have G, and then where we would have A, we're going to flatten it. So we can have A flat right here. And then we're going to go to B flat, because there's a B right here, but we're going to flatten that. So it's B flat, and then you have C again, and these are octaves here. So you have C, D, E flat, F, G, A flat, B flat, and then C again. Now here's something interesting. This is the A major scale. If we wanted to turn it into A natural minor, we would have to flat the third, the sixth, and the seventh, and that would produce A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. Now what scale is this? This is the C major scale. You're just starting on this A note. So what does this mean? This means that you can play an A minor scale over a C major progression, or a C major scale over an A minor progression, and that is because the natural minor scale is the fourth mode, or the Aeolian mode. Okay, so what that means is, here we have the tonic, or the one note. This is also known as the Ionian mode. And this sixth note here is the Aeolian mode. Now all that means is that this sixth note here is the natural minor of this first note. So you can take a major scale and build a progression off of it, and then you look to the sixth note and you can play this over this major progression to give your playing a little bit more flavor. You play this minor scale over the major progression. Likewise, you could also play this major scale over a minor progression, and it would also enhance the playing. You could also, just play the minor scale over a minor progression, or the major scale over a major progression. I hope this has helped you at least somewhat understand the minor scale. Please like, comment, and subscribe.